Question 2 here from our study guide. Determine whether the following relation is a function. If the function, state the domain and range. So remember, these are coordinate pairs, x comma y, and we were just looking to see if there are any x's that have that are listed twice here and have repeated y's or like different y's. So when we look here, it's like looking to see if x has 2 birthdays. I got a -2. See if there's any other -2's in the x's. Nope, nothing there. I got a 2 here. Doesn't match that, not that, not that. I got a 4, doesn't match that or any of these, and the 8 also doesn't match. So this is a function. And then the domain is just all the x's. So -2, 2, 4, and 8. So all I do is just do a little brackety and write -2, 2, 4, and 8. You can throw some parentheses in there too if you want, but you just need to list out those 4 numbers. And the range, same thing. We're going to take all the y's. Remember, it goes, it's alphabetical. Domain is x's, range is y. D comes before r, y, or sorry, D comes before r, x comes before y. So the range is 5, 4, next one's 1, and then -2. So for this second one, we want to look at it to see if it's a function. I got 0, -4, 5, and 3. Nothing there was repeated, so we're good to go. It's a function. So yes, function. You may say to yourself, well, what would make it not be a function? Well, say I also had the point -4, 3. Then that would have 2 y values for -4, and that we can't have that. So, but this one is a function, and its domain is going to be all the x's listed out. So we got 0, -4, 5, and 1. And then the range in this one, if you look at it, I got 3, and then 5, and then 5, and then 3. So you only have to list each number once. So we can just write 3, 5 like that, and we're good to go. We don't have to add any additional, we don't have to add 3 twice or add 5 twice. So hope you're good with that, and I'll see you in the next video.